Welcome back. We're going to find the area of a couple of regular polygons today, and these are going to be basic problems. Our formula, area is equal to perimeter times apothem divided by 2. You might ask what the apothem is. It's a perpendicular segment from the midpoint of a side of a regular polygon to its center. So if the center of the polygon is here, this segment that goes to the center or midpoint of the side, so technically these two would be the same, it's going to make a right angle. That's what the apothem is. Well, this triangle here is regular, meaning that all three sides are the same length. This side is 13, so this side would be 13, and this side is also 13, which means the perimeter is either 13 plus 13 plus 13 or 13 times 3. Either way, we get 39. The apothem is labeled here as 3.75. And we'll multiply that and divide it by 2. So 39 times 3.75 gives 146.25. And if we divide that by 2, we'll end up with 73.125. And I'm going to round that to the nearest tenth. So it's approximately equal to 73.1. We don't have a unit labeled, so units squared would be the answer. In our second example, we have a hexagon drawn. We'll assume that it's regular. The drawing doesn't quite look that way, but we're asked to find the perimeter and the length of each side, and we're only given the apothem here, so I'll label that as apothem. Well, our formula is still the same. We do know that it's regular, so what we want to do is find the perimeter, and we want to find the length of each side. One thing we're missing, we have to know what the apothem is. Oops, not the apothem. We already have that. The area. If the area is 65 units squared, then our formula, we would put 65 here. Perimeter we don't know. Apothem we do know, 4.33, and then divided by 2. We begin to go through the algebra. 65 times 2, if we're multiplying on each side by 2, we get 130. Over here, 4.33p, and then we divide that by 4.33. And that gives us right at 30 for the perimeter. So we found the perimeter. And then the length of each side, if there's 6 of those, 30 divided by 6 would give us 5 units, whatever that unit may be. And that's the length of each side.